Hi guys, and welcome back. My name is Vlad Sarser and I'm your mortgage broker and your loan officer. And today I wanted to give you a tip number 5 on what not to do while you're buying a house. So let's talk about it. The tip number 5 is don't make any large deposits into your bank accounts. Not before or during the purchase transaction. If you're planning to buy your house in September, then you may want to make all the large deposits sometime prior to that in July, so like 2 months before you actually get into a purchase transaction. The lender is going to require the money to be seasoned, so if you've got it in there for a couple of months, that's considered seasoned money, and the lender isn't going to raise any questions about these large deposits. Now, the only large deposits that you should be putting in there is your paycheck. That should be pretty much seen in your account statements. And if you have other large deposits that, for example, your relative or your friend is going to help you with a down payment, then you can also make it into a gift letter from your relative, and the lender will accept that as well as a form of down payment. So just to let you know, this is a kind of a practice that lenders have done for many years. They will ask questions about any large deposits, and they will ask you to source them, and they will ask for a letter of explanation of where the money come from. So just be careful as to how much you're depositing and how large your deposits are. Generally, anything over $5,000 will get questions by the lender. Okay, guys? So tip number 5, don't make large deposits. It will probably complicate your file. It will probably make the lender ask more questions and may interfere with your process of buying a house. Alright guys, if you like that video, hit the like button. If you think it was helpful, please subscribe. And if you have any more questions, please feel free to call me. All the information is below the video. You can always text me, call me, or email me. Reach me through my website, alianzainc.net. And I hope you guys watch all the rest of the videos about the useful tips on what not to do when you're buying a house. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you here again. Have a blessed day, and I will see you soon.